Now, I'm going to give you an example of a woman that's not only in Olam Haba, she's in a very special place in Olam Haba. And she's not Jewish. Her name was Matronita. The Gemara Masechet Nedarim, page 50, says Rabbi Akiva once was needing an enormous amount of money for his yeshiva. Now, Rabbi Akiva's yeshiva had 24,000 students, so when you need to payroll, it's not $500. It's not a $200,000 24-hour campaign. You're talking about millions of dollars. Now, the Jews didn't have the money, so the rabbis told Rabbi Akiva, listen, there's this rich Gentile, this rich woman, but she's a righteous woman. Her name is Matronita. She lives on the coastline. She lives on the beach. There's a big, huge, gigantic house. She's very rich. Go to her. Maybe maybe the bracha is going to come from her. She's going to be a righteous person. Maybe she's going to lend us the money. Rabbi Akiva goes to Matronita's house after they set it up. He says, listen, I need $100 million. I need a lot of money. Why? Because if I don't get this money, the government is going to shut us down. Everything's going to shut down. Hashem Menachem. Everything collapses in a second. Rabbi Akiva needs millions of dollars. He says, I can borrow it from you. Borrow it from you. Not, don't give it to us. You don't have an obligation to give it to me. Don't staka. I'll borrow it from you. I'll give it back to you. So Matronita, being a righteous Gentile, she says, okay, Rabbi Akiva, who's going to be the witness that is going to be the witness of our deal here, that you're going to return the money on the agreed upon time? Rabbi Akiva says, whoever you want. She said, whoever I want? Okay, I want the ocean to be one of the witnesses, and I want a Kadosh Baruch Hu to be another witness. That's who I want as a witness. Rabbi Akiva says, Amen. That's what you want. That's the witness. That's the witness. I'll give you the money, X amount of time. I don't know, 90 days, a year, whatever it was. I'll give you the money on that day. She gives him the money. He takes care of business. Now comes the time to pay back. Rabbi Akiva has the money, but Akadosh Baruch Hu wants to teach us a little bit of musar. You're going to learn from a righteous Gentile. What does he do? He makes Rabbi Akiva really sick. And Rabbi Akiva is bedridden. He can't leave the bed. But he has to pay the money. He can't pay the money because he can't leave. And he's stuck. Matronita expects the day. Oh, the day is almost over. Rabbi Akiva is nowhere to be found. Matronita looks at Shamayim. She says, Akadosh Baruch Hu, you are the witness that I only lent him the money. You are the witness because I only lent the money because you're the witness and the ocean is the witness. That's the only reason I lent the money, because I believe in you. She starts talking to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. In that moment, HaKadosh Baruch Hu made the Caesar's daughter, the Roman Caesar's daughter, cuckoo, lost her mind. She decided to go to the treasure, take all the treasure and just throw it all in the ocean. Out the window, right into the ocean. Then HaKadosh Baruch Hu told the ocean, hey ocean, you're one of the witnesses, yalla, let's go. Make the ocean do whatever it needs to do. Get this treasure to Matronita. Ocean, 2 seconds later, all of the treasure hits the door of the woman. There's a big knock on the door. What happened? She goes downstairs. She has a huge treasure outside. Why did this happen? Why did this happen? You could cry to Hashem 500 times, no treasure showing up in your house. Why? Because maybe you don't believe as much as Matronita. Now a little time passed. Rabbi Akiva shows up with the money after he heals. Shows up with the money. He goes, here's your money. She says, no, Rabbi. Your Father in heaven already paid for you. Your Father in heaven already paid for you. Made me so happy. She says, it made me so happy. Keep everything that you brought for yourself and take some more. Hey, take whatever you want. Go take some more. That's why the Gemara says, Rabbi Akiva became the richest man in the world from 3 different ways. This was one of them. Why did the Kadosh Baruch Hu made all of this happen, Rabotai? Because this righteous Gentile woman had Emunah that if HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the witness, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the witness. If this is a bracha, this is a bracha. She didn't believe in herself like most people. Oh no, I have a lot of self-confidence. That's a problem. You should have confidence in Hashem, not yourself. What are you? You have stomach aches. What confidence do you have? Human being is the most fragile creation there is. Ephraim says, just look at the human being, how lowly it is. Human being eats something 2 days old, gets sick for 3 days. A cat can eat something a month old, he's fine. It's like he's making a salad out of it. Human being, you go outside in the winter, a few days, you won't survive, Hashem Echem. The cat and the dog, they could live winter after winter for 20 years. No jacket, no nothing. What confidence in yourself? Confidence in HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Confidence in the bracha that you say. And you could even learn this from a righteous Gentile, the Gemara says. Now what do you guys think? You think Matronita is in Gan Eden or Gehenom? I don't know. My name is not mentioned in the Gemara, but Matronita is. My name is not mentioned in the Gemara about giving big tzedakah and having Emunah in Hashem, but Matronita is. Alvay Alenu to be there. Do you understand what the power of Emunah is? The power of real Emunah?